ginger and onion, and I'm gonna make this with the curry. So now it's salt and oil, and fry it till like 5 minutes.
Oh, okay. Video is not. Yeah.
Salt. And then garam masala, coriander, dry coriander, curry.
Curry. That's the cumin. I didn't dry it down.
Then it's cumin, yeah. Okay. And now
Fry it.
yeah, you see you fry it.
I
Just fry it a little bit.
Yeah. I think that.
Not too dark, but like golden.
Golden, yeah.
Yeah.
Tomato.
Tomato, yeah. Curry. So I'm crushing this so I can make it like a paste. And I also had a little bit of chili powder. So when you will see that the oil is getting out on the sides,
Yeah.
then it means it's getting good. Paste.
The oil separate
Yeah.
from curry paste.
Yeah, so it means that it's getting
Good,
good.
yeah.
The flavor is good. Now I put a little bit of water, just a little bit, just to make it soft. The curry.
Yes. Look good.
Like this, and then I'm gonna put the okra with the onion
Yeah.
together and mix it. Yeah. So lime.
Coriander, chili, and
Like this. Squeeze the juice.
oh, you already.
I'm already done with it, but yeah.
Yes. Oh. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe, share, and give me a thumb up. Thank you very much.